Hi friends, this video shows how to block kids from switching to parent profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Go down. Let me select this kids profile kid 1. Here we need to enter the Google pin because I am going to change or modify the kids profile. And here you can see kids lock. So we have to enable this option kids lock and lock the profile. Let me enable. Done. So this way we can block kids from switching profile to parent profile. Let me show one example. After that, let me go to home screen and select switch accounts. Then let me switch to kids profile kid 1. Done. Now let's assume kid is trying to switch to parent profile. He or she can select switch account option from top left corner. See, now it's asking for the Google pin. So kids has to enter this pin, then only he can switch profile to parent profile. So this way we can block. See, now we can go to parent profile. Okay, so this way we can block kids from switching to parent profile. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.